If your thermostat isn't working properly, the issue could be related to a number of factors. Here's how to troubleshoot effectively. 1. Power check. Start with the basics. Check if your thermostat is getting power. If it's battery operated, replace the batteries. For wired models, check the circuit breaker to ensure it hasn't tripped. If the power seems fine but the thermostat remains unresponsive, the issue might lie deeper in the wiring or the HVAC system. 2. Inspect settings. Ensure the thermostat is set to the right mode: heat, cool, or auto. If it's in the wrong mode, the HVAC system won't kick in. Also, double-check the set point temperature. If the thermostat is set to a temperature too close to the current room temperature, the system may not activate. 3. Check the wiring. Loose or corroded wires can prevent your thermostat from working. Turn off the power to the system and carefully inspect the wiring. Ensure the connections are secure and there's no visible damage. If you're unsure, call an HVAC technician for a more thorough inspection. 4. Sensor issues. If your thermostat has a temperature sensor, it could be malfunctioning. Dirt or dust buildup can obstruct sensors, affecting their accuracy. Clean around the thermostat gently using a soft cloth or vacuum. If the issue persists, the sensor may need recalibration or replacement. 5. Reset the thermostat. For digital or smart thermostats, resetting the device can often resolve glitches. Many models have a reset button or a simple restart option through the app or settings menu. A reset clears software bugs that might be preventing proper function. 6. HVAC system check. If the thermostat seems fine, but the system isn't responding, check the HVAC unit itself. A clogged air filter, blown fuse, or malfunctioning component like the blower motor could be the culprit. 7. Smart thermostat connectivity. For smart thermostats, ensure the Wi-Fi connection is stable. Loss of internet or network issues can cause communication problems between the thermostat and HVAC unit. Reboot the router or reset the thermostat's Wi-Fi connection to fix this.